How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix sound issues and improve audio in OSU. So the first thing that I suggest when playing OSU, in order to eliminate those lag, you have to go ahead and play wired. This will go ahead and smooth out the connection between OSU and your earphones or headphones. Now, the next thing that I suggest is to eliminate the universal offset. So head over to the OSU setting and then go ahead and type offset and just make sure that you go ahead and set this into something like minus 500 ms, or you could just go ahead and play around. If you want 0, you could just go ahead and set it this way. Now, for next, you want to switch audio drivers. If your latency is severely high, you want to change or switch it to the high definition audio driver instead of using something like the Realtek audio. Now, to fix distorted or robotic audio, you want to lower down your sample rate. So let's head over to the sound control panel. And simply from here, you just want to look for your earphones. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Click properties, click advanced, and then inside we have our sample rate right here. So you then want to go ahead and try lowering it down, maybe to something like this values right here, to see if that fixes the problem. And the next thing that I suggest is to update your audio and graphics drivers, and to also run OSU right here on full screen. So from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.